viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are also going to discuss about Pancake Swap and also Binance Smart Chain Wallet. In this video we are going to connect our Binance Smart Chain Wallet with Pancake Swap. Yes, if you need to swap your one coin to other coin, or you can swap your cryptocurrency, so you must watch this video till end. In this video I'm giving you complete information how to connect your wallet and how to use swap system. But also you can get information in Urdu language. You can join my other channel, best cryptocurrency wallets. So now I'm going to open first of all CoinMarketCap and we will check the rank of Pancake Swap and little bit discuss about this platform. Now you can see here CoinMarketCap is open front of me, and now the Bitcoin price is $23,000 plus and Ethereum price is 1800. So if we are going to check the rank of Pancake Swap in top 100 listed cryptocurrency, so I think the rank is on number 88. Yes, 88 or 89, it's maybe Pancake Swap. I think I missed the number of Pancake Swap. So yes, you can see here the rank number is Pancake Swap 68 number. This term price is $4. And if you need to connect your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform, you just simple click on it. Now you can see here Pancake Swap, all information is open front of you. And let's suppose you want to check the price graph of this token. So you can see here Pancake Swap is launched on $1 and all-time high almost $42, but this time price is only $3.99, means $4. It's depend on you. I'm not giving you any financial advice. If you want to connect your wallet or swap, it's depend on you. I just giving you information about educational purpose. Pancake Swap is automated market maker, a decentralized finance DeFi application that allow user to exchange token, providing liquidity via farming and earning fees in return. You can also read the article about Pancake Swap from this website, and you can also use this token on these exchanges like Binance, UB Global and KuCoin. And let's suppose you want to connect your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform. Simple open CoinMarketCap and then use the link of website pancakeswap.finance. This is the official website of Pancake Swap. I have clicked on it, and now you can see here Pancake Swap is open front of me, and there is price also shown Pancake Swap $3.98. And if you are click on use the language about your country, so you can change here. And this moon is made for pancake trade, earn and with crypto on the most popular decentralized platform in the galaxy, used by millions, trusted with billions. 2.2 million users in the last 30 days, 26 million trades, 4.1 billion staked, total value locked. Yes, here you can also stake your coin on this website. Means when you are going to connect your coin, your wallet with this website, so you can easily stake. And You can also read about or get more information about Pancake Swap from the website. Cake makes our world go around. So now I'm going to click on trade option. This option is available. Swap, limits, liquidity, and in second option farms and pool, third option ban, lottery, and third option NFT. But we need to just swap or connect our Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this system, so I just simple click on trade, and then first option is swap. So I am going to click on swap button. Now you can see here the swap option is open front of me, and this time I have not connected my wallet on this website. So if I connect my wallet, Binance Smart Chain Wallet, with this, so you can simple click on connect wallet. So there is option available para wallet, MetaMask, Binance wallet. So I need to connect my Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this network or this platform, so I will use this option. And you can also click on more, so you can see here the multiple option is available here. You can easily connect your wallet, but I am going to just simple connect with Binance. Simple click on it. Now the pop-ups open front of you when you click on connect. So pop-ups is shown front of welcome back to Binance wallet. Enter the password. I'm going to enter password here and simple click on unlock. I have clicked on unlock connect request. Pancake Swap Finance, would you like to connect to your account? This site is requesting access to view your current account address. Always make sure you trust this site. You interest with this website. So I'm going to click on connect. I have clicked on connect. So switch the network. I should want to switch the following network. So I need to select BNB Smart Chain network. I have selected already from my Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So keep in your mind when you are going to connect your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this platform. So before going to connect, you must log into your wallet and select the network BNB Smart Chain Wallet. So I'm going to click on confirm. Now my wallet is going to connect it with this website or this platform. You can see here, viewers, my wallet is shown here. This is my wallet, and you can see here this is my wallet address. I have not any balance on my Binance Smart Chain Wallet, so that there is shown BNB balance 0. If you have balance in your account, then your balance will be shown on this portion. Okay, so let's suppose you want to swap one coin to other coin. We have successfully connected our Binance Smart Chain Wallet with this website. Let's suppose you want to swap, so simple click on, let's suppose you have 0.1 BNB and you need to your BNB swap with other coin. There is list available here. Let's suppose you can select your desire, like I'm going to select is BTCB. If you pay 0.1 BNB, then you will get 0.0013 Bitcoin. The price is $76.63 and slippage tolerance is 0.5%. If you need to change the tolerance, slippage tolerance, you simple click on setting button. You can see here there is shown setting button, and you can select the slippage tolerance. If you need to by default, so you can select 0.5%. if you need to increase your tolerance slippage, so you can select 1.0. but before going to select this tolerance, so your fee will be charged more when you are going to transaction. So there's three options: standard, fast, and instant. If you need to instant transactions, so simple click on it. And if you need to use standard, so you can select this option. It's depend on you. After that, select your slippage and you enter the amount. Then the swap button will be shown in front of you. You just simple click on swap button, and after confirm your swap, your BNB deduct from your Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and you will receive BTCB coin BTCB in your main Binance Smart Chain Wallet main interface. Okay viewers, I hope you properly understand. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. And you can also provide the liquidity. Simple click on liquidity. It's only depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice about this website. I just giving to information about educational purpose. Okay, so you can use this liquidity portion also, and if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.